Hello!
Hi.
Today we're going to be cutting this beard. My boyfriend's beard has gotten out of control, so in this video I'm going to chop it, neaten it up, make it look really nice, and you get to watch along with us. So let's start the process. So the first thing I want to do is look at the shape of the beard, and I don't want to be cutting it to a point. We don't want any Draculas here. So what I want to aim to do is give a nice oval shape that follows the shape of this guy's face, so that when you look front on, it's a nice oval shape. Are you ready?
Yes.
So if you see a knot, just pull it out. Just yank on the comb as hard as you can.
Yeah.
I just brushed it.
Sorry.
And if he touches it after you brush it, just
Don't give punishments to your partner.
Alright, no punishments. So once the front is bonsai'd, now it kind of looks weird from the side. So at the moment from the side you can see it's looking very square, and what I want to do is round off these edges at the front and at the back so that it looks more round and less sharp and more like he naturally grew it and didn't have someone trim it. Sound good?
Yep.
Cool, now that I'm happy with the shape and it's looking normal from the front and from the side, the last thing is mustache. To deal with the mustache, I'm just going to chop the sides of it a bit shorter and the top of it a bit shorter so that you can see this guy's mouth. That's the aim.
Those birds are loud. Moving on. Oh, greys. Alright, let's go.
And that's all there is to it. Now it's done, I'll show you the before and after side by side. And that brings us to the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching this beard trimming bonanza. If you liked this video, remember to give it a like. And if you want to support this channel, the best way to do that is to hit the subscribe button. That's all from me today. So until next time, see ya!